1. Preparations before welding. Turn on the main power. Turn on the chiller and wait for 5 minutes. Check the temperature around 25 Celsius. Turn on the laser source. Move the welding torch to the work area. Avoid folding or stepping on the cable. Check the protective lenses. Cover the gap with paper to prevent dust from entering. Inspect the lens surface for cleanliness and replace if needed. Fine-tune for optimal focus at the point of maximum sparks. Laser welding system. The password is 123456 and the internal settings cannot be modified without the manufacturer's permission. Put on welding gloves and protective glasses before welding. Attach the grounding clip to the workbench. Ensure gas supply before each welding. 2. Wireless welding. Only need to set scan width and peak power. Set suitable parameters and weld 1 mm stainless steel. 3. Filler welding. Turn on the wire feeder. Laser welding wire feeding system. Wire feeding and withdrawal. Install the components that support wire feeding. Align wire with nozzle groove. Adjust the feeding speed. Set suitable parameters and weld 1 mm stainless steel with wire. 4. Cleaning the weld seam. Install the external counter welding nozzle. Set suitable parameters and clean the weld seam. 5. Cutting metal. Install cutting nozzle. Set suitable parameters and cut 1 mm stainless steel. 6. Cleaning the surface of the metal. Replace welding system with cleaning system. Laser cleaning system. The password is 123456 and the internal settings cannot be modified without the manufacturer's permission. Replace the focusing lens to new ones. Use paper to cover the gap to prevent dust from entering. Keep the focusing lens surface dust-free throughout the operation. Install the new focusing lens back. Install cleaning dust cover. Only need to set scan width and peak power, set suitable parameters, and clean rust from metal surfaces. 7. Concluding the task. Put the welding head back into the cavity and lock the door. Turn off the laser source power. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes, then turn off the chiller power. Turn off the main power. Turn off the wire feeder. Tighten the gas valve